Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about my Bujo and we are going to set up for the week. So I'm using some bull clips here because I wanted the page to lay flatter than it is. The pages are kind of thicker now because I have been using them. I'm also using the supplies, very simple, just pens and ruler. And I also have this new purple tea that I got from T2. I highly recommend that shop if you are a tea lover just like me. So let's start with the top line. I'm going to line both the right and the left page, but I'm only actually going to be using or setting up the left page. So here I'm writing down weekly log with my Stabilo pen, and I'm going to go ahead and make my sections. So this is going to look like the format of the Hobonichi weeks with all the days of the week in a row. And then I'm gonna go ahead and write down the days of the week, sort of like a border, so it's a little bit fancy, but it's nothing too much, so it's quick and easy and pretty. I'm also going to go ahead and write down the dates using the gray Stabilo pen. And this is a felt tip pen. It's not very expensive, comes in a pack of I think 12, and is quite useful. I'm also going to decorate that a little bit, but I'm going to leave that alone and move on to my tracker. So I'm going to try and use this grid tracker. I wasn't sure if I was going to be using this very regularly, and right now that I am voiceover or recording this voiceover, it's not something that I look at very frequently, and I'm kind of regretting doing it. So I'm probably not going to do it next week. I've never been really good at tracker, and this was kind of a test if I can do rolling tasks. I found out it wasn't for me, unfortunately so. So I also have a little section for some notes, and I've been actually binging a lot of the Bujo how-tos on YouTube, and I realized that part of the Bujo method is to write down your thoughts, and brain dumping is very important. It's part of the process of Bujo. It's not just a long to-do list. So I'm going to try and do that as well, but you won't see me do that in this video. I have tried it, like write down not just tasks but also thoughts, and write lots of notes that come up in my brain and just dumping it onto the page, and that has worked really well. And it's made me realize that Bujo isn't so bad, and it's not just all about your tasks. You can write down memories, you can write down ideas, and you can write them down in your daily logs, and that's actually what is recommended, unless you want to make a list that to refer to in the future, which becomes collections. I haven't even really done that here. So here I'm just writing down tasks and some important things like upload videos list, as well as film videos list. By the way, this Bujo is just for my YouTube. I'm not going to write down anything else on here like study and events, but here we go. So that didn't take a very long time, and this video is just over 4 minutes. So if you are wanting to do Bujo, make sure to just take it easy and enjoy the process. I'll see you soon.